Okay, at the end of your video, I want you to add some more graphics. I want you to have students seek out the teacher if they have any further questions. So what we're going to do is we're going to do just on straight black, we're going to put some titles there. And so we're going to go into video generators into text again. And this time we are going to put in the words, have any questions about, I'm going to hit enter, computer programming with capitals. And we're going to use this font, we're just going to use white. And so this is what it's going to look like. So when we bring this down, this is going to be 10 seconds. We're going to overwrite this into the video 2 track, which is here, still selected. We're going to overwrite that, and this is what it's going to look like. We're going to move it up right there. So I've moved this text up into the top, so it's below that inside box there, that rectangle. Okay, that rectangle is called the title safe rectangle. So you're guaranteed that on no matter what TV, your titles will always show up if it's inside that inside box. The box on the outside is called action safe. So any of the action that's happening, if it's inside of that box, we know it will show up on any TV. I'm going to copy and move this up to video 3 and paste. Actually, I'm going to paste it next to it and move it up to video 3. And I'm going to change this, I'm going to edit it and say talk to, on one line, hit enter, Mr. Kaminsky, another in room 1414, exclamation point. So once that change happens, I'm going to need to move it down and over because we want to put in our lion. So that'll be the last thing. I'm going to go back to all of my files, take the lion PNG, make sure I'm connected to video 4, and I'm going to overwrite into video 4. Now the line's obviously too big, so I'm just going to resize it and put it in the bottom right hand corner. So that's going to be your graphic setup. If you have any questions about the program, talk to Mr. Kaminsky. Okay, so we're going to put in some cross dissolves and some fades. We're going to fade in under video video transitions. We're going to go to dissolve, and we're going to use a fade in dissolve. We're just going to use a 1 second default dissolve, and we're going to apply that to all text and Mr. Kaminsky's video. So we're just going to drag it down, pretty simple, on top of everything. So our video starts with a quick little fade in. Then at the very end, we want Mr. Kaminsky's video to fade out, and we want all of our graphics to fade in at the same time. Then at the very end of that, we want all of those graphics to fade out. And then I'll render this, and we'll get to see what these fades actually look like. So let's take a look at what these graphics and Mr. Kaminsky's video looks like with a fade in.
We're going to be off.
Okay, and then let's go to the end and see what the fade out looks like.
Any part of your life in the future.
Okay, so it's a simple transition.
Any part of your life.
It's clean, it's quick, and then at the very end, all these graphics are going to fade out. Okay, pretty simple.